Hi everyone, welcome to my next video. Yeah, I've got this. I've seen this. This is probably. I've got something else to show you that would be of interest. Yeah, I've seen this enough times in the cafe. I thought that was on there. It's I've seen this beautiful picture, puzzle picture. So it's all in the bag. So if you could put that for 1,000 pieces, I could get a special thing to I'm in day to get order, and you could put drawers in it. Yeah, and it had this lovely poster, and you know I love the Titanic. So make sure your puzzles are busy. I know I might like this. Can you use one for 500 because you go for 500 you get monetized, but you don't get your adverts until you get 1,000, so I believe. I hope you can see this lovely picture. That's how it will be eventually when I start it off in the week. I got another one, but I got that from it's all there, but I've got one from Madison just to make sure. Yeah, I think I'll have to show it you. That could go over frame. Yeah, this is just a little video. I hope you can see it. That's why. So, okay, can you see? There you go. And it's like it's just gorgeous, isn't it? I do like the picture. It's not the local cafe. Said, oh, that'll go nice on my phone. And so I checked it on Amazon. And the pieces, you can tell if it's in a bag, then you know it's all there. When I get that new thing, things are changing for Barbies now. I think I show you that book, so I will do that after my dinner, yeah? And then, I do hope you like that picture. I'll try and show you that bit at a time. There's the seagulls. Yeah. So that's that job. London immediately. And there's a nice box. 1,000 pieces. So there you go. And I think Mike would like that. You probably like the poster, I think. I'm not sure if he's into jigsaws and the rest. Anyway, so I'm just going to put a different top on my next one. So, hope you like this little video. And it's only a little one. Yeah, I do like that picture though. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.